Good morning, everybody. This is your Bitcoin review for this morning. So, kind of red day yesterday, and pretty much a red day at the moment. And we did get CPI data coming through worse than expected yesterday afternoon, which kind of affected most markets, and it looks like it affected Bitcoin as well. Now, for me, 30,000 is still the major level. So the level that we're at the moment, you can see we're flirting with it. Let's just get down to the 4-hour. So you can see that was the previous swing low. It is now turned into a level. So this is a key level at the moment. That's 32,069. But I think you can actually round that off to 30,000. So it's somewhere in this area, I think. That's 31. Yeah, so you can round it off to 31,000 and then at the lower level 30,000. That's kind of the structure that I think you're going to have to pay attention to. And you can see it continues on the left here. You can see there's quite a bit of support here. Here's your major area of support, which is right here. And you can see that's 29,630. So that's going to be the 30,000 level. That, I think, is going to turn out to be our floor. But at the same time, we need to just pay attention to see what's happening here. No diversions forming yet, but we are grouping to the downside, potential double bottom brewing, but then that still brings in 34,490 or 34,500 as the level that we need to break to the upside. So essentially nothing has changed. We're still in this channel. It's a bearish channel at the moment. Trend is still down at the moment, but it is sort of down to sideways. So for me, this is still sit on hands, wait for some structure. You may pick up some early signals on the hour. But, we did get one on Monday, but then that reversed immediately. So at the moment, kind of wait and see. We do have diversions on the hour, though. If you look here, oscillator drifting up while price is drifting lower. So I don't think it's a doom and gloom to the downside just yet. I think it's still bottom of range. So if you start looking at that, we are sideways and we're in a range. So typically that happens until the oscillators group the downside and the moving averages start consolidating. If you're looking at this on a Bollinger Band, you probably see that this is coming into a squeeze. In other words, the two Bollinger Bands are coming together. And that's kind of what I expect is going to happen here. Bit more consolidation before we get a direction. I don't see it falling to the floor. There's too much invested in here for that to happen. Anyway, for me, this is still sit on hands. Let's wait and see what transpires. It's still sideways. I think that's the best way to explain it. Okay, hope it helps. We'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.